Welcome to Amit Erez Photography. In this guide, we'll explore lenses. Drag, explore, understand. How focal length, aperture, and lens choice transform the image. Focal length, M, determines how much of the scene fits in the frame. Lower value equals wide angle equals full landscape. Higher value equals telephoto equals close-up. Wide aperture, f1.8. equals shallow depth of field equals blurred background, subject stands out. Closed aperture, f16, equal everything sharp. Wide versus telephoto. Same world, two lenses. A wide lens fits more in the frame but pushes the background away. A long lens compresses distances and creates more background blur. Wide field of view, everything in frame, exaggerated perspective, close-up, compressed and blurred background, defined subject. Light enters from the left, bends through glass elements, and focuses to a single point on the sensor. That's focus. 3 light rays converging to a single point. Focus, the nifty 50. Natural bokeh, closest to the human eye. First recommendation for any photographer. Portrait King, creamy bokeh, background compression, flattering for faces. See the demo above. Lens armor, protects front element from scratches, dust, and moisture. Summicron, Summilux, Noctilux. Lenses that became legends for their sharpness, bokeh, and build. Hand-assembled in Germany. Photography courses. Beginner to advanced video lessons, self-paced, covering all photography topics. Amit shot with different lenses. Spot bokeh, wide shots and close-ups in the gallery. Thanks for watching. For more photography guides, visit amitphotos.com. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly photography content.